In the peaceful village of Kanchipuram, there used to be a small and beautiful temple. Every morning, the entire village would wake up to the sound of the temple bell. Ting, ting, ting. That sound would float through the air, passing over the houses and fields, reaching every home. Then the villagers would happily say, "Ah, the temple bell has rung. A new day has begun." Everyone believed that the sound of the bell brought peace and blessings to the village. But one morning, something strange happened. The villagers came to the temple as usual, but this time the bell was missing. Everyone looked at each other in surprise. Where did the bell go? The priest, "How is this possible? This bell has been here for so many years." The villagers started searching for the bell. They searched around the temple, they searched in the streets, but the bell was nowhere to be found. In that village, there was a young boy named Raghu. He quietly listened to what everyone was saying. Someone must have stolen it, or maybe it just fell somewhere. But Raghu felt that something else might have happened. That night, while the whole village was asleep, Raghu took a small lantern and went to the forest near the village. The moon was shining softly and the forest was silent. Then suddenly, Raghu heard a faint sound. But that sound was different. It sounded slow and a bit sorrowful. Following that sound, Raghu went deeper into the forest. After a while, he saw something under a big tree. A deer was lying on the ground. That deer looked injured and in a lot of pain. There was a temple bell tied around its neck. Raghu slowly walked closer. "Raghu, oh no, are you hurt?" The deer looked at Raghu with gentle, frightened eyes. Raghu noticed that the bell was tightly tied around the deer's neck. Very carefully, Raghu untied the bell. The deer slowly stood up. For a moment, it looked at Raghu. It felt as if it was saying thank you. After that, the deer slowly walked away into the forest. Raghu smiled gently. "Raghu, you have done a very good deed. You chose compassion." Raghu slowly hung the bell back in the temple. Strangely, as soon as he tied the bell to the temple, it became big again. He rang the bell once more. Ting ting. That sound echoed throughout the village once again. But that day, the bell's sound felt even softer, even more peaceful. From that day onwards, every time the villagers heard the bell ring, they remembered the compassion Raghu had shown, because they had learnt a very important lesson. Where there is compassion, true holiness exists.